You don't have to do it with me. This could be promising. Let's see.
It's Otis.
Yep.
Series 5?
Probably not.
What the frick?
What is it?
You'll see.
Oh. Only goes up to 2. All right, ready?
Yes.
Curious about something. Nope, it doesn't work. You want to get off because I'm going to go back down? Do you want to get off or because I'm going back down? Oh, you don't have to hold it. Yeah, this is a freight Otis. And yes, we are getting off upstairs. After nobody says anything. Oh, yes. Stay quiet this time. Alright, shh. Nice. Here's your panel. Average Otis. My first Otis freight. Okay.
Is it unlocked?
How do I close this? You can't close the door from the outside, so I have to go back down.
I want to get...
Here,
Wait. Alright. I want to get it.
nope, it's not that stupid. Okay, we got it. Don't touch.
Door stop. Oh.
What did you do?
Uh-oh.
Did you just break it?
No. There we go.
Okay, let's not hit the door stop button, please.
Why? Close it, close it.
Okay, let's not break anything, please.
Sorry. My mistake.
Yeah, I'll get the number changing. Okay, let me do this, please. Get off. Get off.
What? I didn't get a video of it going up.
Oh, you want to go back? Okay. There was a car there, so. Wait, here. Nah, two's locked. Okay, send it when you're ready. Yeah, we can't close the door on that floor, so we have to go down here anyway.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Not expecting to ride a freight today. I mean, there had to be at least one freight in this building, or this campus somewhere. Peely 2-speed vertical door. Alright, hit close once. Okay.
That is awesome.
Alright, let me move out of the way so I get my picture. And that is it.